Good afternoon, my name is Jakub Plislowski. I'm one of the London School of Emerging Technology student. Today I wanted to talk about Selenium. So it's a suite of software, each with a different approach to support automation testing. It comprises of four major components, which include Selenium IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, Selenium RC, Selenium Remote Control, which is now deprecated by WebDriver, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. So first of all, Selenium IDE. It's implemented as Firefox extension, which provides record of playback functionality on test scripts. It allows testers to export recorded scripts in many languages like HTML, Java, Ruby, RSpec, Python, Chash, JUnit, and TestNG. You can use these exported script in Selenium RC or WebDriver. So this is how it looks like. To download it, it's really simple. It just adds as an extension, as I said before. Really simple to do. Next thing, which I have said that is deprecated, but I want to talk about this anyways because it was there, so it might be important. So Selenium RC. It allows testers to write automated web application UI tests in any of the supported programming languages. It also involves an HTTP proxy server, which enables the browser to believe that the web application being tested comes from the domain provided by proxy server. And here I have included a little note. What is a proxy? If someone didn't know, or I didn't know before, so this is why I added it. So what is proxy? Proxy is a server that acts as a gateway between you and the internet. And it's separating server and users from the websites they browse. Yeah, Selenium RC comes with two components, RC server and RC client. And here is a screenshot of architectural representation of Selenium RC. The next thing is Selenium WebDriver. So it's this one that came after RC and is by far the most important component of Selenium suite. Selenium WebDriver provides a programming interface to create and execute test cases. Test scripts are written in order to identify web elements on web pages, and then desired actions are performed on those elements. Selenium WebDriver performs much faster as compared to Selenium RC because it makes direct calls to the web browsers. RC, on the other hand, needs an RC server to interact with the web browser. Since WebDriver directly calls the methods of different browsers, hence we have separate driver for each browser now. And the last but not least, Selenium Grid. It is also an important component of Selenium suite, which allows us to run our tests on different machines against different browsers in parallel, which makes it to be platform independent. In simple words, we can run our tests on different machines, running different browsers and operating systems. Selenium Grid also follows the hub node architecture to achieve parallel execution of test scripts. The hub is considered as a master of the network, and the other will be the nodes. Hub controls the execution of test scripts on various nodes of the network. So here I also added a little note at the end that we can only have one hub, but multiple nodes. Thank you very much.